Kids, we have 4 buckets here. We're gonna see what they have inside. Now we have the Willy Warren kit.
Shovel.
Yeah, I get a shovel.
You can get your own worms and put them in there.
Those bobbers make them go doo doo.
And this is pliers. And these are weights. And that's a hook.
And it also comes with instructions and what kind of fish you can catch as well. So,
All the fish I want to catch.
You can put your own hook on if you want to catch them.
the bluegill.
I had it for dinner once.
Oh, cool.
This is my one. I got a big hook.
This one has the hopping things kit. Is to go catch grasshoppers. Have a net to go catch the hopper.